Alright guys, this video courtesy of Bodycam Premium. We have a guy that drives like an idiot. Draw the attention of the cops. They stop him and they find out he's a Sovcit. Not only is he a Sovcit, but he's also a Sovcit with an attitude. Thinking he can teach the cops a lesson. It did not work out quite as well as he thought it was going to work out. Let's go ahead and watch the video.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you today?
Why do you got your emergency lights on? What's the emergency?
The emergency is your vehicle doesn't have a valid registration.
Yeah, it's private property. Registered to the trust, not the QSV's trust. You on record, I'm on record too. There is no reason why this officer, Sanal, should have his emergency lights on, and there's no criminal investigation. I'm a Moonbay, I'm a Moor, it's documented.
Don't start reaching around.
No, you good, you good. No, my papers. Go get your white shirt. Because I'm not a threat to you, go get your white shirt.
No, you don't need to be
I
reaching around.
requested for you to go get your white shirt.
I have officers en route. Put your hands on the wheel
I'm
now.
not putting anything
Don't
on.
reach back there
You can see
again.
my car. You can see.
Put your hands on the
I'm not
wheel.
putting anything on
Put
the
your hands
wheel.
on the wheel. Do
I'm
it
not
now.
putting anything on the wheel.
How stupid you have to be. The cop tell you do not reach behind you. And he goes ahead and reach behind him. I don't know, man. This is a high tension job. Why would you do that? Yeah, I don't know.
If you feel like you're at a threat of your life, you need to quit this job.
You don't need to be
If you
reaching.
feel like you're in threat of your life, quit the job. Call your white shirt.
Can I get another?
Call your sheriff. I need somebody in honor.
Yeah, it would probably be better served, this honor thing that you're talking about, if you were to honor the laws of the state, right? Get a license, that kind of stuff. Get your car up to date. Yeah, these kinds of things, they're all part of honor, I would think.
Oh yeah, you finna pay me too. Sure, Ebon. Watch this. Watch this. Get your sheriff. You ain't. There's no reason you need to be under arrest.
Do you have a license?
Nope. Right to travel. Passport. You in trouble.
Yeah, I bet you're wrong. I bet you're wrong.
Well, you wanted a response and you got one. So
Yep. The response ain't over. I'm about to put a lien on you, and I'm about to get your surety bond information. I got a written injunction on the elected sheriff, and we gonna see. Our conversation is done
I'm not
here.
talking. You post up at a pillar.
Our conversation is done here. I'm requesting your white shirt.
We can do that.
Yeah. Our
So,
conversation
are you
is
going to
done.
identify yourself?
I'm a Moor.
All right. Do you have your license?
I'm a national. Yes, I do. I was
Don't-
reaching.
no,
I was,
you're not
hey, come
reaching
here.
around for-
Where's the other officer?
You hold on just a second.
No, because he requested for my license, right? Now, under the Fifth Amendment of the Constitution, I don't have to give it to you, but to prove that I'm a Moor and it's been signed off by a judge in Ohio, I'm gonna show you my paperwork and my nationality ID. That shows I got the right to travel. Now you're asking who I am.
You absolutely have the right to travel. Just not while you're sitting behind the steering wheel of that vehicle. Then you're driving. You sit on the side, you're a passenger, you can travel. No problem. Anyone can do that.
We got 2 officers here. Now it's 3 on the scene.
All right. So here's what's up. We're going to have you step out of the vehicle, sir. All right?
What's the reason I'm stepping out the vehicle?
Because
What's the criminal investigation? It's only 2 jurisdictions.
see here's.
Admiralty and Maritime.
Are you going to let me talk?
I want to talk to your sheriff. I don't want to talk to you.
All right,
You're not
you're
in
gonna step
honor.
out. Step out.
Yeah, the white shirt, as you call the guy, he's not going to say anything different. He's going to say the exact same thing as the officer is saying. Guaranteed. It's going to happen.
If he pulls me out the vehicle, I will be suing.
So we're going to ask you to step out of the vehicle. If you don't comply, then you're not in compliance.
What's the reason that I'm stepping out the vehicle?
I tried answering and you cut me off.
I don't know.
So here's
Okay,
what's up.
so am I under duress?
You're being detained right now.
Okay, under threat of
For
detaining
this
arrest.
is a legal traffic offense.
Okay.
And I'm legally allowed to have you
Okay,
exit the
hold
vehicle.
on.
Go
Okay,
ahead and step back there.
let me get my paperwork.
You know what? I'm slightly disappointed. The guy put his gloves on. You know, when they put the gloves on, they normally want to break a window or something like that. No, this guy just stepped out. That's disappointing, I have to say. It's rather disappointing, but he had some sense there anyway.
Step back here.
Okay. I don't consent to no searches, no seizures. I don't consent to
Hold
any
on.
searches.
Just stand right here for me, sir.
Any seizures.
All right, so do you have a social security number?
No, I do not. I got an EIN. I own my birth certificate. It's in my car. Can you go in my backseat and get my paperwork? I'm allowing you.
You're giving me the authority to do so.
Yeah, I'm giving you the authority. I consent for you to go in my car and get my information on my backseat so I can properly identify.
What side?
The left side.
Okay.
That's kind of him.
You see the plates? It says exempt. Notice the fee schedule. I want his shorty, the black suitcase. Thank you. I'm getting this shorty buying information. I'm gonna put a lien on. Yes, sir.
Please do.
No, go ahead and open up. Open it up.
You can bring it back here.
Yeah, you can bring it. I'll open it for you. Yep. Now, where's your elected sheriff? I want the white shirt.
He's going to go through that bag.
Okay, yeah, you can open it. No, that's my file. That's extra paperwork. It's a red folder. And I also need 2 witnesses when your elected sheriff comes. You guys are here witnesses. This is already being recorded.
It is.
Yep, I got a written injunction. I need your shorty buying information too. I don't want your badge number. There it is, red folder. You can get the blue folder too.
Let's take it all out. How about that?
Okay.
What are we opening?
Okay, open that one. That's my nationality ID. This is the court order that lets you know I'm not black or African American. I'm a Moorish national, part of the original government, the Moroccan Empire, and it's signed off by a judge. This is
Yeah, no, you're not. That's all fairy tale stuff. Doesn't work in the real world. Does not work in the real world.
my DBA, a Moon Infinite Bay, my free national name. This is my nationality ID to let you know I have the right to travel, and it's filed
So you live on East 167?
in the Republic. Yes, I do.
But the
Care
city
of.
of Cleveland, Ohio.
Correct. In the Republic.
What's the Republic?
The Republic for which it stands, with the same pledge of allegiance that you pledge allegiance to. The Republic. We are not in a democracy. This is a republic.
I'm gonna be honest. I really have no idea what you're talking
Okay,
about. So,
okay,
that's
that's-
if
that-
you explain it, dumb it down a little bit.
Okay,
for
so
me,
the
that makes
Republic,
sense.
there's 2 governments on the back of a dollar bill.
Okay.
There's the Moroccan government that people call the
I've never heard of the Moroccan government.
Okay, there's the Moroccan government that's called, that you call the Illuminati, which is the pyramid, the all-seeing eye. And then there's the United States Corporation that's on the right side of the back of the dollar bill, which is the Q-Speech Trust of Queen Elizabeth, who you took an oath to protect the assets of their trust.
Well, at least there's not much of a conspiracy theory here. These guys, they're fun to listen to.
My vehicle is not registered. Now we open up the next file. Wait a second. Because this is where it gets good. This is where American jurisprudence come in at. My car is not registered to a trust. My car is registered to a private trust. Here
But
it is right
it's in
here.
the state of Ohio, though.
Right, but it's registered to my trust. Private property. I'm the trustee. Now I show you the paperwork.
You're still driving on a public road, right? You drive on the road, you need a license, insurance, all those good kinds of things. Everybody else needs that as well. You're not special.
This is the Foreign Irrevocable Express Trust, where it clearly states that I am the trustee. And it's stamped off on by Ohio. Not
So
you,
you're David?
not
Are you David?
Oh, yes, I am. Oh, yes, I am. Oh,
Or
yes, I
Moon
am.
Infinite
Oh,
Bay?
yes, I am. What does this say, sir? What does this say?
Well, this says a Moon
Wardship.
Infinite
Right,
Bay.
right. Watch this. Wait a second. Wardship name. David
Not your birth.
has been changed to a Moon Infinite Bay nationality ID card.
Okay.
It is filed in the state of Texas.
You can file what you want. It doesn't make it a legal document. I mean, it's just what it is. The state doesn't have to recognize that. You can file it. Not a problem.
This Moon Infinite Bay is my well, David, because I own the name, and here's it from the Department of Commerce. The birth certificate, I own my birth certificate. It's no longer registered to your Q-Speech Trust.
His name is David.
Okay.
David. Yep.
Where's your warrant to run my information? Right, but what is okay? What is the traffic
This
stop related
says-
to? What is the the violation? It's 2 jurisdictions, right? So what is his reasoning for stopping me? He said the plates. So it's 2 jurisdictions. It's admiralty and maritime. So if this is a criminal investigation, where is the injured party? Right, but if it's 2 jurisdictions, if it's a traffic investigation,
You already know that this is.
can I get your white shirt? I want your white shirt.
So what made you decide to change your nationality?
The same reason you should do it for your kids. Because I know police, when they get to educate, they not all the way educated. They only know how to train and protect the assets. You get the American Jurisprudence book. Oh, here it is. Hold on. This is the good part. This is with the education. I know y'all don't like read. This will let you know that I'm now the holder in due course of the birth certificate on a state and federal level. I got the full faith and credit. This is my private affidavit of the certificate of live birth. Now, you stated that you never heard of the Moroccan Empire, but here it is right here. That's the same emblem on the back of the dollar bill.
Well, that is irrefutable proof that you are correct. And these guys are dumbasses. They should let you go. But then we get back to reality, and it doesn't really work that way.
Hey, can I get your date of birth? Can I get your date of birth?
What do you want my date of birth for? I'm not answering any question until your lieutenant comes.
Okay. Right now, put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Right in the back of this car.
Yep. Okay, yep.
Pat you down real quick.
Oh, go ahead.
What?
Go back to the bag. What are you saying? What?
Oh, yep.
Alright, you can put your hands down.
Yeah.
So here's what's up. Getting a citation for your violations today.
Yep.
Alright? You got court next Thursday.
Yep.
Alright?
And your shorty bond information is on.
My name's on there. You can get whatever information you need.
Cool.
Alright, you
My
want-
phone and stuff is up here?
It's on the hood of the vehicle.
Yep. Now,
Yeah. Okay. So I have to say, this guy is quite calm for a Sovcit, right? He's a little bit loud, but calm when he's not explaining things. Actually, a friendly guy. Looks like it to me, anyway.
who's supposed to be doing this vessel?
That information,
I'll get it when they come.
when you come and get your vehicle, just make sure you got your title for it. Otherwise, we're not going to release it. Okay. Hopefully, it's in your name because right now that vehicle is in someone else's name.
No, it's not.
It is.
Okay.
Don't forget your phones.
Yep. Got the vehicle. I'm actually going to head to your department.
Sounds good. See you in a little bit.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all too enjoy y'all day. I'll not be coming for y'all shorty bonds. Y'all did nothing. I will see you.
All right. Sounds good. See you soon.
All right, that's where the video ends. He got a citation. He got an experience in court. The guy's not bad to interact with the cops, right? I mean, there's a lot of worse guys out than him. So I appreciate that from him. Is he right? Is he wrong? I think he's wrong. The law of the land says he's wrong as well. Let's hope we get a judge that actually want to apply the law. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say hi in the comments. We do appreciate that. I'll see you on the next one.